Hi, welcome to my completed room tour. This is about as done as my room is gonna get. I did a room tour like about a year ago when I first moved in here, and I said there was a lot to go. It doesn't look too different, but I did make a lot of little changes. So this is those changes. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Why is my hair like... My friend described my room as like comforting and safe to be in. So that was my ultimate goal, and I really like having a room that I love being in. Before I start the tour, I will try to mention where everything is from, especially if it's thrifted. And if there is a link to it online, I will put that link in the description box. So let's start here. Let's start with the door. This is my door. It's just the door that came with the house. There's nothing special about that, so I don't even know why I started there. But when you enter, there's this little heart thing that I've had in my room since I was like 12. There's no significance to it. It doesn't really match or anything. I just literally only have it in here because I've been too lazy to take it out. Anyways, that's all that's right there besides my light switch. Then we have this little corner of my room. These wings are from Etsy. When I graduated from college, my friends and I had a fairy party to like celebrate my graduation. It just sounded really fun. I wanted just like a fairy, so I bought these wings and I really like them. I like how they look here because my mirror's there, and I'll show you in this minute. But like, you can stand a certain way where it kind of looks like you're wearing the wings when you take a mirror picture. I like that. And now I just always have fairy wings in case I need them for emergencies. And next to my dress up costume is my degree. I graduated from ASU this year, in case any of you doubted that I had a brain, because I would doubt it too from these videos. Underneath it, I have my trash can that I have a pillow over, with some sort of like illusion that maybe the pillow covers the trash can. It doesn't. And then I have my traffic cone because I have a lot of colors in my room, but I don't have very much orange in my room, so I just have that, so I have some orange in there. Then we have my dresser. My dresser and my desk are a matching set, kind of. They're the same color of wood. They don't look exactly like, I don't really know. They're a gift from a friend. My mom said they're vintage, so we don't know where they're originally from. I'm sure Facebook Marketplace and thrift stores has really similar things. But I really like them, and I like the light wood. On my dresser, I have this. It's a little rat fairy. My friend Megan painted it for me for my birthday. Thank you, Megan. I love rats and fairies. This is Moomin. I painted myself. I've had in my room for a while. He's just cute, the little clouds. Disco ball from Five Below. This cute little bench thing I've just had forever. No idea where it's from. A love note. I have this little trophy because my friend group, you know how like The Office, they have the Dundies because they're Dunder Mifflin. My friends coined the word Hoss because you know how it kind of means like boss or buddy or dude. My friends call each other Hoss. So we had the Hossies, and everyone got a really like weird personalized award. So that's mine. That's my little trophy. I thrifted this little jewelry dish. It just holds like a bunch of my jewelry in it. Then I have this stack of books. On top of it, I have this skull. I thrifted it, but it's actually an alcohol container. If you're 21 years old and you would like your own skull container, you can buy that alcohol. I have some dried roses in it because I like keeping dead flowers. I have this little cockroach. Because when I was younger, my dad's friend tried to scare me with it. I thought it was cool, so I kept it to scare other people with. I have my Switch. It is the Animal Crossing Switch. I'm in love with it, and the dock, I think it looks really cute. I have some candles. All those candles are from Target. My film camera, that's the Pentax K1000. My other camera, the Olympus one, is just in my bag. I have videos on both of those if you want to see those. These little cloud book ends are from Target, and then I have more books in between them. That little print, it's from Society 6. I have my MacBook and my iPad with my external hard drive, some USBs. That is a really handy dock thing. It just has a lot of different ports because for whatever reason Apple hates its customers and they have like no ports on their MacBooks. So that's really handy when I need to plug things in. And the little clackety keyboard and mouse are both from Amazon. I think those are blue light glasses that I never wear, but they're from Princess Polly. This little shelf up here is from Urban Outfitters. It is not a great shelf. It has fallen in my room like 10 times. Eventually I had to take the sloth planter that I had on there off because I think that was just too heavy for it. But it would be fine for like a month and then just fall. So be warned if you ever want this shelf. It is a cute shelf though. I have that exact same jewelry dish that I have on the bottom. Up top, just more jewelry in it. I have a bug wing in a bag because I thought it was a really pretty wing in there. And it's just on there. I have this film camera. That was my mother. She gave it to me. It didn't work. I'm thinking about taking it and getting it checked out. See if I can get it to work. And then above that, I have one of my favorite pictures in my room. It's from a girl on Etsy. Her Instagram and her Etsy are trash kitty art. I'm obsessed with her art. And then the frame is just from Target. It's this gold frame, keeping in the theme of like my mirror is a gold frame. I have some other gold frames. I wear silver jewelry, but I don't know, I just have gold frames in here. And then that light bulb is from Ikea, and so is the like hanging thing, keeping it there. I use it as like a night light reading light thing, really like it. And then we move on to my Squish Corner, which if you thought it was bad last year, look at it this year. It only gets worse from here. See, the unfortunate thing though about having the only one window is like I can't film facing it because then everything washes out really bad. So in that corner I have all my Squishmallows. Then I have that little cart from Ikea. It's a lifesaver. Definitely recommend everyone having it. On that top shelf, of the plants, 2 of those are alive. The snake plant and the cactus are alive. The other one is dead eucalyptus. That I don't even know what was in that other dead one, but it's there. Those 2 little vases are from Ikea. That little spritzer thing was a gift, but I feel like it's from Amazon, or you can get similar ones on Amazon. And then the little mug is my birth flower. I was born in September. Under that, I have my little tea kettle. That's also from Ikea. I have my headphones. Those are really nice Sony headphones. My notebook, which I use to write like ideas for videos and when I need to script things out for videos. A little coffee jug that I keep scrunchies in. And that cute little thrifted vase, and then the bottom is just more squish. That hanging plant was an air plant. It has been dead for like 5 years now, but it's still greenish. It still stays there. I have my 3 different sun catchers. The 2 ball ones are both from Amazon, and then that Pantone square one is from a small business. I'll have that linked below. I love that at different times of the day and different times of year, the way that the rainbows show across my room are always different. I never know like how they're gonna show up one day, which I think is like really cute and unique. I do kind of wish I could have rainbows in my room all day, year round, but I can't. Well, but I can't, so sun catchers are the best I can do. And then we moved to my bed, and if you noticed, I finally have an adult bed. I have a bed that is built for an adult. Both the bed frame and the mattress are from Wayfair. My sheets are from Amazon. I don't know where that one pillowcase is from. That's a really old pillowcase, but my silky looking one is from Princess Polly for my blanket. The top pink one is from Ikea. That middle one is really soft. It's from Target. And then the bottom one is my weighted blanket. That was a gift. But I know you can get some at Target and Amazon. Would recommend to anyone. Love weighted blankets. And that's my Doc Morton backpack. I'm obsessed with it. I'm in love with her. She is gorgeous and beautiful and everything I've ever wanted. It's also really hard to get that online. I can try to link, but it sells out in like seconds every time it's online. Your best bet is either buying it from someone else, or I ended up going to Doc Martens store in Las Vegas last time I was there, and they had it in stock, luckily enough. And then I also have my Squishmallow backpack on my bed. It literally opens into a backpack. I'm obsessed with that too. I'm not a purse girl, I'm a backpack girl. Above my bed I have all my Pantone squares. Those are all from Society 6. I just like the pop of color that they add. My office chair is from Ikea. It's from Ikea, but I got it on OfferUp because they didn't have it in stock, but I really wanted it. Be warned, the wheels suck, but I don't really wheel it around, so I don't really care. Here's the matching nightstand to my dresser. The shelves above it, I believe, are from Target. My sister gave them to me. On there, I have this beautiful painting that is from a French artist. I'll have her shop link down below. It's like the birth of Venus, but with cats. Beautiful. And then there's some tea next to it that she sent in the package with the picture. And it was like really cute, fancy French tea, so I was kind of scared to drink it, so I just put it on display. That vase is from Goodwill. And then those are dried out baby's breath that I just got from Trader Joe's. The Swan Lake record is from a local thrift store. I used to do ballet up until like my second year of college when I just did not have the time for it. I really miss it, but I love having like this little memory of my time as a ballerina. I say that loosely. That mug I got at Savers. I got that mug at Savers. I love her. That little jewelry dish, the seashell one, and the butterfly one are both from Savers. So I have all of my jewelry in like 4 different places in my room just because if I don't have it out, I'll forget it exists. But if I have it all on this side dresser, I feel like it looks cluttered, so I like to have it strewn about. The heart mirror is from Urban Outfitters. That candle's from Target. And then that little dinosaur, I think his name's Tommy, he's from Home Depot. I have that notebook that is from Target, and then my glasses are from I Buy Direct. I don't wear them as much as I should. I like to believe that I have better eyesight than I do. It fails me a lot. Underneath that little wooden crate is probably from Target or something. I don't know, I've had it like my whole life. The cowboy hat in there. This is one of my all-time favorite thrift finds because I didn't pay this or anything. This was a cowboy hat I found in the men's section that was already pink. Then I got a squish and a pillow in there. This clothing rack is from Amazon. On it I just have like belts, my cords from graduation, and my stole from graduation. Honestly, my only criteria for putting stuff on here was like the colors. I wanted to keep with the cute, colorful theme. So that's what's on there. All these hangers are from Target. I like those hangers. They're the velvety ones. They're really nice. My mirror is either from TJ Maxx or Ross, and it was only like $20. It was really cheap for a mirror. It took me a few trips before I found one that I actually liked. But if you want a full length mirror, I would definitely recommend just popping in every time you're near one of those. And I'm sure you'll find one that you really like. I have my floor pillow that is from Target. There's a really expensive Urban Outfitters version, I think, but Target one just as good and cheaper. Moving on, we have my closet. I kind of have it organized in 2 halves. This, I say organized loosely. I have my laundry basket down there, jackets, dresses, skirts, shorts, pants, tank tops, t-shirts, sweaters. And then I have this corner. It's a pile of clothes that I either have to donate or give back to people I borrowed from. And then under that is my pile of... So I had COVID earlier this year and I didn't quarantine here. I quarantined with someone else who also had it, just so I could like stay away from other people and not give it to anyone that didn't have it. But while I was gone quarantining, my mom tried to be really nice and like reorganized my closet. It was really nice coming back to an organized closet, but there was this corner of stuff she had like neatly folded up and put on the shelf, and the only criteria that I could use to describe it is like slutty clothes. So this is my slut corner. Anyways, yeah. Moving on. This side, I have some work clothes hanging up, and then this is gym clothes that I have hanging up, and then all my shoes on this lower shelf, and then like fancier dresses I have. Here's my corner of all my other dead flowers that I don't have on display. There they are. And then other useless junk that I need to like throw out or figure out what I'm doing with. Up above here, I have more prints from Society 6. They're from the same artist that little one is from. Love them. They're super cute. So that has been my room tour. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any questions that you have about if I forgot to say where anything was from. Let me know other videos you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie.